Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the world of wigs with a detailed review of the 30-inch 6113 13x6 lace front wig made from 100% human Brazilian hair. This is a straight blonde wig designed with versatility, style, and quality in mind. So if you're considering adding this one to your collection, or just curious, stay tuned for a full breakdown. Let's start with a quick overview of this wig. The 613 lace front wig is made from premium 12A grade Brazilian virgin hair. It comes in a striking blonde shade and boasts a 200 density, offering a thick and voluminous look. The 13x6 lace front allows for a natural hairline, while the wig is pre-plucked with baby hairs around the perimeter for that ultra-realistic finish. The wig is also designed to be glueless, with adjustable straps for a snug fit ranging from 21.5 to 23.5 inches, making it suitable for most head sizes. Now let's talk about how this wig performs in real-world use. Setting it up was pretty straightforward. No complicated instructions here. It fits securely on the head with its adjustable straps and glueless design, which is a big plus for those who want to skip the glue and adhesives. The 30-inch length provides a bold look, perfect for anyone wanting long, flowing blonde hair. In terms of styling, this wig is highly adaptable. You can curl it, dye it, bleach it, and even put it up into a high ponytail or bun. I tested the wig by styling it in a few different ways, and I was impressed by how well it held up without tangling or shedding excessively. It's soft to the touch and looks natural, with the density providing a fuller appearance that doesn't feel heavy or uncomfortable. Of course, no product is without its flaws. While the wig is relatively low maintenance and tangle-free, I did notice a slight shedding after a few styling sessions, but it wasn't anything overwhelming. Additionally, the color might not work for everyone straight out of the box. It's a very specific blonde tone that might require some adjustments if you're looking for something more personalized. Other than that, it holds up well in terms of texture and flexibility. So, what are the pros and cons of the 613 lace front wig? Pros. Made from high-quality 12A grade Brazilian virgin human hair, which means it's soft, durable, and can be styled in many ways. The glueless design and adjustable straps make it easy to wear without the hassle of glue or adhesive. Pre-plucked with baby hairs, giving it a natural and realistic look. The 13x6 lace front gives plenty of room for versatile styling, including updos and high ponytails. It's long-lasting and low maintenance, ideal for those who want a long, sleek wig without worrying about tangling. Cons? Slight shedding after multiple uses, though not excessive. The blonde color might not suit everyone, and some users may need to customize it with dye. At 30 inches, it's quite long, which could be a bit much for people who prefer more manageable lengths. Now, is this wig worth the price? For the quality of the hair, the ability to style it in numerous ways, and the comfort it provides, I think it offers solid value for money. The durability of the hair and the natural look are major plus points, especially if you're looking for something that can stand up to daily wear. However, if you're not looking for such a long length or a specific blonde tone, you might want to explore other options. In comparison with other wigs on the market, the 613 lace front wig stands out for its high-density, pre-plucked design and the ability to style it without sacrificing natural appearance. Many competitors might offer similar features, but this one shines with its overall hair quality and versatility. When it comes to build quality, this wig is built to last. The materials feel sturdy and the hair is soft, shiny, and well-made. The HD lace front provides a flawless blend, giving a more seamless and natural look when worn. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick moment to ask, if this review was helpful to you, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so other wig lovers can discover this video too. Thanks for showing your support. It really helps the channel grow and keeps us bringing you the best reviews. So, is this wig worth adding to your collection? If you're someone who loves experimenting with different styles and lengths, or just wants a long-lasting, natural look, then this 30-inch 6113 lace front wig could be a great fit. Its versatile styling options and natural texture make it a solid choice for those willing to work with its length and color. But if you're looking for a more manageable, low-maintenance option, you might want to check out other alternatives. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. If you have any questions, or if you already own this wig, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget the link to grab this product is in the comments box below. Until next time, stay fabulous, and remember, beauty starts with confidence.